दोस्तों नमस्ते, सलाम, सत श्री अकाल, वनक्कम, केम छो एंड जय श्री राम। दोबारा आपके सामने आया हूँ। मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि वी शुड नेवर मिस even a single opportunity in the share market. If somebody wants to earn in the share market, then it is more important to buy a share at a right time, and even more important to sell at the right time. Exit is also equally important. Rather, I will say exit is more important than buying. If you miss an exit, that means what? Your profits are coming down. The entire momentum actually is lost, and the momentum is then down. Then your profits are gone. Well, today, friends, we are talking about one stock which is a tremendous stock of a very well-known group. And so fortunate we are today that the stock has come to RSI 30. RSI is a momentum indicator, mind you, and it gives you previous 14 days profit or loss. Let us see the chart first. See friends, here is the chart that we have is of BAJAJFINSERV. It is written here, BAJAJFINSERV stock we have with us. And can you believe this? The stock gave a stupendous results in June to September quarter. Now, for one reason or the other, it is at RSI 30. This is 1 year chart, and in 1 year chart it comes to RSI 30 4 times. That means every quarter it comes to RSI 30. Now you tell me one thing, there is a stock which is exceptionally good. It comes down to RSI 30 once every quarter or 3 months time. Would you not make money into this? You will make money into this. Not only that, if you see this, it has made here a cup, and this is the handle. The moment this handle is broken, it will be in uncharted territory. It can go anywhere. Now I have this. Why I have shown you this today? Because as you will know, I have told you earlier also that RSI is calculated in 3 ways. 3 ways means there are 3 formulas. This formula is I have taken is from NSE guide. That means National Stock Exchange. This particular site calculates RSI with one formula, whereas charting.com will calculate it from a different formula. So there is a little variation into this. This is the first signal which is recorded here of RSI 30, so I always refer to it. Right? If you see RSI 30, it is still say 26.1, and MACD is below the zero line. Fantastic. Under all the circumstances, I feel so that you will make nothing less than 15 to 20% or even more profit before the Q3 results come. Let me put it before you that Q2 result of BAJAJFINSERV had come on 20th of October. That means around 20th of January, the results of BAJAJFINSERV will again come. Today we are sitting on the 1st of say 3rd of December. That means another 1.5 months time you will make clear sweep of around 15 to 20%, or even it can be more. Let's check with some stocks, with some fundamentals of this stock, so that we understand whether the swing trading can be done or not. But it is decidedly a stock for intraday trading. So here I have got all the details with me from what is EBITDA and volume. You can see here, and for your convenience, I put them in one small place so that you can refer it with just one glance. So that glancing look you can take here. The sales was, this is quarter to quarter, this is year to year. From 92% sales increased to 97% on quarter to quarter basis. That means the sales are actually shooting up. See EBITDA margin from 102% to 106%. I mean, rarely to be seen. I think there will be 5 stocks which is giving that kind of EBITDA, more than 100%, whereas the net profit has remained stagnant. Only for this reason that net profit is around 7%. The stock has not taken a very huge, it has not continued with a huge uptrend, and it has come to a, what do you call it, sideways going. Now the stock actually is trading for the last 2 months time between 1640 and 1800. That means it is trading between 150 rupees, roughly about 9%. It has traded in 1, 2, 3 months time. 9%, say in 2 months time, this is 2 months time, 9 months, 3rd month is running, again it has come here and it will shoot up. So every month it is giving you 9%. Tell me, what else do you want in the share market? Number 1. Number 2, if you see, this is flat at 1643, waiting to go up. It's a very good buy. Number 1 reason is the RSI actually is, here it is 44, but here I have already told you it is at 30. It is rather at 26.53. So it is an excellent buy at present. I have purchased it already. You have to take your own call. And if you see, the moving averages are flat, number 1. RSI we have seen is 30 in the other, and MACD is minus. See, MACD and RSI have a long way to go. Long way to go. So it has become a very promising stock to buy at this level. I will buy in wholesale, because in finance sector, and that also in private banking or say NBFCs, if we don't buy Bajaj Finance and BAJAJFINSERV, then what are we doing in the share market? Right? So I have already purchased it, and I will commit myself very hugely into this, because I feel that in next 1.5 months I will cleanly make 15 to 20%, which is very good. Friends, I leave it up to you what you want to do. But my story actually ends up here. The fundamental analysis for the quarterly basis is excellent. Number 1, stock was up in uptrend. Now it is in sideways, and sideways also is giving 9%, 8 to 9% every month. RSI, MACD are all in the favor, and you can check with your broker if you want to buy. Number 1. Number 2, which is more important, I think if you refer my video, just let me check when was this. Yes, one video I had given on 31st of October, video number 415. There we had talked of VBL, Varun Beverages Limited. That time we had discussed, the price was 1040. VBL price was 1040, and see, I just want to tell, I just want that we must understand that how correct we are. And now we will see where is VBL closed yesterday. I am still holding the stock. Varun Beverages. It's just working out. See, it has given 30%. The call actually was given to you on 31st October, say 1st November. In 1 month, it has already gone by 30%. This call was given as at RSI 30. Is 30% less in a month? And it is rocketing. rocket, fuel, on fire. Similarly, you will find, I think so, similarly you will find, I just cannot tell you the time, when BAJAJFINSERV will fire, but once it starts firing, it will be all cylinders firing. Take a decision, don't wait, check out with your financial advisor immediately, take an action on Monday, and choice is yours. You want to go with it or not. I have already purchased large quantity and I am further buying it. Thank you very much, and have a nice day. Be in the share market, earn tons of money, and don't be fearful. One Mr. Muhammad was telling me that he is fearing to get into the share market, sir. And let me tell you that if you are sitting on the fence, fine. If you want to sit on the pavilion and clap, then that is your choice. If you want to play the cricket, you have to come down to the pitch, right? I am a player who believes in. I don't believe in pavilion. I would like to play the cricket myself. So I have given you the hint. The choice is yours. Thank you very much and have a nice day.